Hi all, let's say ID and class attribute in HTML. Let's see ID attribute first. By using ID attribute, we can specify unique ID for HTML element. For example, inside HTML element, if we can specify any unique name by using ID attribute like this. But note, we cannot apply same ID to more than one element in HTML page. For example, here if I specify M10 hiking as ID to this HTML element means, again I should not specify M10 hiking to any other element in that page, which means each page should contain only one unique ID. But the class attribute is opposite to ID attribute. By using class attribute, we can specify class name to HTML elements like this. The main difference is we can apply same class name to multiple elements in HTML page. Let's see practically. Let's open index.html page. In previous video, we saw div element. Let's reuse this example. Let's see ID first. Here we have three divs. We can add ID attribute to any other element in HTML page, but here I am adding to div. This div is regarding to mountain hiking, so that let's add mountain hiking. To this mountain wildlife. To this mountain climate. Let's add ID to this heading also. By using the ID value of element, we can perform some JavaScript task and add style to that element. Let's add some style using ID. Let's change this heading font color and font size using this ID. For that, we have to provide hash symbol, then ID name, then inside curly bracket, we have to provide the styles. We can also apply style using ID in external style sheet also. Here I am using internal styling. Let's go to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, like this we can change the div styles using ID. In our upcoming videos, we will see how to perform JavaScript task using these IDs. A note, we should not apply same ID to more than one element in HTML page. That means here I am applied M10 heading means I should not reapply again like this. This is wrong. Each element should have unique ID in HTML page. Let's change. Now let's see class attribute. Let's change this ID as class. But in class attribute, we can apply class name to more than one element. Let's copy and paste. Let's apply style using this class. For ID, we provided hash, but for class, we have to provide a dot, then class name. Let's go to browser and check. See. Now let's apply class to this div also. Let's replace ID as class. Let's remove this inline styling. Let's apply style. Let's go to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, by using getElement by ID and getElement by class name, we can apply JavaScript task to specific element that we will see in our next video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.